Are you looking for the ultimate LG washing machine for 2024? Join me as I dive deep into the top-rated models, from sleek front loaders to convenient wash towers. Discover the features that set them apart and find the perfect fit for your laundry needs. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. LG Electronics WM4000HWA Front-Load Washer. This washer stands out as the best washing machine we've tested. Its effective design includes 5 jets that spray clothes from various angles, speeding up the wash for large loads. The washer features multiple settings, including a steam function and specific cycles for bedding and towels, which provide versatility for different laundry types. The machine uses AI technology and sensors to automatically select the optimal wash settings for various fabrics, and its allergenic wash cycle uses steam to remove up to 95% of dander and allergens, earning certification from the Allergy and Asthma Foundation of America. We found it relatively quiet, with a pleasant alert sound when the cycle finishes. Though a bit lower in height, making loading easier, it handles large loads efficiently and completes wash cycles in 30 to 40 minutes, which is faster than many competitors. Number 2. LG Electronics WK-EX200HB WashTower Laundry Center. For maximizing space in your laundry room, the LG WashTower is a top choice, combining convenience and efficiency in a compact design. It stacks the dryer on top of the washer, saving floor space while offering generous drum capacities, 4.5 cubic feet for the washer and 7.4 cubic feet for the dryer. The WashTower features a user-friendly control panel at waist height and connects to an app for remote operation, allowing you to start cycles from anywhere. It offers 5 temperature settings and 6 wash cycles for the washer, and 6 drying cycles for the dryer. The speed wash cycle can handle small loads in just 15 minutes, making it ideal for quick cleans. Plus, the stainless steel drum ensures gentle treatment for all fabrics. Number 3. LG Front Load Wash Tower. If you're aiming to save floor space, the LG Wash Tower is a top choice. This stacked unit combines both washer and dryer, offering 10 wash cycles, 5 temperatures, and 5 rinse cycles, plus a steam function to eliminate bacteria and allergens. For drying, it features 9 cycles and 5 temperatures, with built-in AI that automatically selects the best settings for your laundry, minimizing decision fatigue. It excels in cleaning, drying, design, efficiency, and operates quietly. Available in black or white with tempered glass doors, the WashTower also has a tub clean system for self-cleaning and drying. It pairs with Alexa and Google Assistant through the ThingQ app for remote control. Number 4.5 cubic feet. This LG front-loading washer offers an extra-large 4.5 cubic feet capacity, providing ample space for bulky loads. It boasts high efficiency, reduced noise, and an automatic load sensor. A standout feature is the speed wash setting, which cleans a load in about 15 minutes, earning high user satisfaction. The washer is sturdy and designed to accommodate a stacked dryer for space saving. It also plays a short melody to signal the end of the cycle, adding a pleasant touch to your laundry routine. So, which LG washing machine reigns supreme in 2024? After careful consideration, the LG Electronics WM4000 HWA front-load washer takes the crown. Its powerful performance, energy efficiency, and innovative features make it the standout choice. But remember, the best washing machine is the one that best suits your lifestyle. Happy Laundry Day!